Why do I keep coming back to conferences even though we're making well over $1 million a month? It's because of the power of association. Is worth hundreds of thousands of dollars in additional GCI by just utilizing what it is that they are working on and doing well in their marketplace, and then taking bits and pieces from all of that stuff and just really driving home in our marketplace to build on it.
I've gotten more nuggets and ideas than I have in a lot of other situations. So being around people that are making stuff happen makes you make things happen. But also, if we're talking monetarily, well, this year I'm finally going to hit my goal of $1 million. And I've done that in just short of 4 years. And that's a big deal. I went from 100 to 500, and now we're on our way to $1 million. So next year's 2.
You're listening to your peers about what they're doing in their business, how they're applying the Craig Proctor System, and it's great.
Every conference that I come to, you go back and implement brand new strategies for bringing in buyers and sellers. The market's always changing, and this program changes with it too. We'll go back and implement those ideas. It'll be instant money for us.